My name is Jonathan Schrader, and I'm the Executive Vice President here at PBC Linear. Over the last several years, we have been able to implement a system that is saving us more than $1 million a year, completely automating all of our front-end processes. PBC Linear, formerly known as Pacific Bearing Company, is a leading global specialty manufacturer in bearings and linear motion systems. We make everything from small individual plain bearings to large linear motion systems which transfer robots. We sell to applications ranging anywhere from submersibles that go to the bottom of the ocean to things that go into outer space. 20 years ago, I had a dream where customers would come to our website, be able to enter their application parameters, they could choose to order the product right then and there, and then a few minutes later a job packet would print on the shop floor. We had value-added processes of helping a customer select the right product for their application, and we had value added at the back end of actually building the product. But in between that, there's a big gap. And without a product to solve and to fill that gap, we couldn't achieve our dream of full automation. And enter CADTALK.
My name's Ethan Kinney. I've been with PBC Linear now for a little over a decade. I'm the software engineering manager here at PBC Linear. Our goal as a company is to be a model-based enterprise. You don't have multiple sources of truth. You have one source of truth, and that's your CAD model. So your dimensions, your tolerances, everything comes from your CAD model, and that's where we wanted to get. So the first thing we had to do is we had to consolidate all of the data into standard data tables and get everybody to agree this is how the product is made. Here are the formulas that control everything. Once we got all of that down and in place, we put it into our configurator system. We use Infor's CPQ, or Configure Price Quote, software for controlling all of our configuration data. As we went through the configuration cycle, we got the CAD models generating, we got the drawings generating, we got the inspection sheets generating. The next step that we had to do is we needed a way to take our CAD models as a source of truth and push that into Sightline. Right about that time, our owner had gotten an email from a company called CADTALK. This company was capable of taking your SOLIDWORKS model and pushing that into your ERP system. Well, admit that was pretty much a godsend at that point, because we had just hit that phase in the life cycle of this project that we had to push this data into the system. We reached out to CADTALK, and it was history from there. If you're a customer and you visit our website, you have the option to go ahead and configure any of our products now. When you click on one of our product lines, you'll be entered into our Infor CPQ software. From there, you can select your options, go ahead and configure your product to your specifications, and when you're done, you can go ahead and buy it now. In the back end, it kicks off a whole host of processes and automations to take that new configuration, generate our CAD models, generate our manufacturing prints, and create our manufacturing inspection sheets. Not only that, but it also kicks off a process through CADTALK to push all of that manufacturing information into our ERP system and then generate the job packet to go to the shop floor. With CADTALK in place, with all the other automations in place now, we've taken a 2 to 3 week process and narrowed it down to maybe 10 minutes. Those core product lines are being maintained by a smaller team now, so it allows us to keep up to date all of our standard product lines. It allows us to expand and diversify our business into emerging product lines and to work on new partnerships and new product lines and be competitive in the world of linear motion.
Thanks to the CPQ system that we have, the configurator that we have, we can go and do a massive change to a spreadsheet. And then because of CADTALK, we can automatically push all of that to our ERP system. So just recently we did an ECN because we bought some new equipment in our factory. We changed the routings and some small design changes to this little guy right here. And then we had to push it to 15,000 SKUs in our system. I don't even want to think about how much time it would have taken previously. We did it in 24 hours. An ECN for 10,000 plus SKUs in under 24 hours. Right there alone, you're talking $100,000 plus in savings because of CADTALK.